Hey guys, welcome back to High Yield Intraday Trading. I hope every one of you is doing good. So before we start discussing today's topic, let me request you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button here. Once you click on it, you will get the confirmation on the left bottom corner. Post you subscribe to my channel, also make sure to press the bell icon and click on all. You will get the confirmation on the left bottom corner so that whenever I upload a video, you get the notification about the same without any misses. Also, I would request you all to subscribe to my Telegram channel with the name HYIT Intraday Calls because I share a lot of things over there and it might be helpful to you in some way or the other. All right. So when we are into the trading business, we see a lot many type of traders, a lot many type of trading styles and whatnot. Now, among so many things, we have a category of traders who love to trade against the flow of the market. They are called the contrarians or the contrarian traders, and the style of trading is known as contrarian trading. Right? It's quite interesting, right? But before we actually decide whether we should try out the contrarian style of trading or not, we need to be aware about a couple of things that would help you in deciding if this style of trading is meant for you or not. Now, please remember that choosing a style of trading, choosing a trading style in itself is a challenge. And most importantly, it also depends on your personality. Okay, so please make sure that your decisions to choose the right trading style is backed up by proper backtests. Okay, so in today's video, we will talk about contrarian trading, and to be precise, we will talk about my perspective about contrarian trading. Okay, whether I would recommend people to get into this style of trading or not. If yes, then why? And if no, then why? So, jumping on to the topic, as I said, contrarian trading is all about taking the trades against the move of the market or against the trend of the market. So, let's say we want to trade a particular stock and that stock is going up. So, as a contrarian trader, I will look for an opportunity to short that particular stock. I would be looking forward for an opportunity to sell the stock rather than buying it, even though the trend of the stock or the trend of the market is bullish. Right. So I have a small picture to show you people. Just a moment. Let me bring it in. Right. So this is the screenshot of a particular chart. It doesn't matter which company's chart it is. But what is being shown here is that this stock is in an uptrend. Right now, how do we know that it is in an uptrend? The simplest way is if the stock is making higher highs and the higher lows, then the stock is in an uptrend. Okay, so these are the higher highs and these are the higher lows. So by seeing the higher highs and the higher lows, we know that this particular stock is in an uptrend. Okay. Now coming to the contrarian traders, what they will do is the red lines that you see here, these two red lines, these two red lines, these two red lines, these are the three zones where the contrarian trader will always look out to take up the trade, right? So they know that the stock is in an uptrend. So what they will do is they will wait for the stock to move up to a particular resistance level. And the moment they see that the stock is facing a particular resistance, they will short the stock and they will square up their positions at the support level. Similarly, the thing goes the same way here as well. The stock goes up, faces the resistance here. The contrarian traders take a short position here and cover their positions at the support zone. The same thing goes here as well. Resistance, they will initiate a contrarian trade here and they will wait for the fall and they will book out their profits at the support level. Okay. Now, as I always say, telling a particular thing on the chart after the chart has been formed or after the market is over, it is very easy. Anybody can say that, okay, I would have shorted here, I would have shorted here, I would have shorted here. But in real, it is very difficult. Okay, you need to be very precise and you need to be very sure whether the stock is facing a resistance here or not. Similarly here, if the stock is facing the resistance or not, it should be a strong resistance, right? That is the only thing on which the contrarian traders depend on, right? If this resistance itself is not strong and if the contrarian trader shorts here, then that will be an invalid trade. It will be a stop loss hit for sure. Okay, if this resistance is broken and if the stock goes up, right? So this is a general scenario which I'm trying to show you as to how the contrarian traders take up the trades. Okay, so if you ask me, my perspective would be a straight no towards contrarian trading. Okay, so now let me go ahead and explain why I don't support the contrarian trading. Okay, let's get back to the presentation here. Right. So let me state the reasons, okay, why I don't support the contrarian trading. Okay, reason number one is, as a trader, we should always make it a point to trade in such a way wherein there would be a minimum pressure. The less the pressure, the more efficient we become in taking the right decisions. And if the pressure is more, then there are more chances that our decisions might go wrong. Okay, now this word pressure wraps up many things, and among those many things, two of the things are your technicals and the trend of the market or the trend of a particular stock. Okay, so let me explain it in this way. Let's say that on a given day everything is going up, like the nifty is bullish, the stocks are bullish, the nifty is going up, the stocks are going up, everything is in a bullish trend. So as a trader, what you do first is that you identify the trend first. Only after you identify the trend, post you identify the trend, you apply your technicals to select the stock on which you want to trade, and then you decide on your entry point. Now, considering this bullish market scenario, how many of you will dare to go short on a stock on that particular day when everything is going up? I believe more than 95% of the traders would look to take a long position, right? And what is the reason behind it? The reason is, if the market is bullish, then it becomes easier to trade in the upward direction rather than trading in the downward direction. Now, let me put in a small disclaimer here. If the market is going up, that does not mean that you can take a long position anytime, randomly, at any place. No, that is not how it works. If the market is going up, then you have to wait for the small retracements to be happening or the big retracements to be happening. And once the retracement happens, after that, when the stock again starts moving up, that is the point when you initiate your long position. It should not be the case that the stock is flying. The stock has given all the green candles starting right from 9:15 till 11:45 or till 12:30, and then you suddenly come into the picture and you initiate a long position, and you know what happens after that. Okay, that is not how a trader takes up a position. Okay, so when I say everything is moving up, the nifty is moving up, the stocks are moving up, you need to wait for the right point to take the entry. You cannot take your long position, or you cannot initiate your long position randomly at any place. Okay, so this was a small disclaimer. So basically, we should go with the flow. We should always follow the trend, right? So doing this very thing, that is taking up long trade when the market is in an upward trend, or when the market is in an uptrend, is supported by some solid reasons and confirmations, and this thing in turn reduces the chances of you losing the trade. Okay, so that would be reason number one why I don't support contrarian trading. Okay, now moving on to reason number two. Reason number two is, contrarian trading is more like gambling. With no offense to the contrarian traders, the reason why I'm saying this is because in contrarian trading, if the stock is going up, then a contrarian trader will short it. And where will he short it? He will short it at a particular resistance level and will hold the sell trade till a support level, right? The way I showed you in the picture, in the chart just before some time. Now, since the stock is in a bullish mood, what is the surety that it will face a resistance at that level and will fall till the expected support level? I mean, when it comes to trading, nobody can give any kind of surety or anything. Here, but here, things are not about surety. Things are about which has the maximum chances of happening. Yeah. So if you are taking up such trades, then I would consider that to be a pure luck or a gamble. Okay. Now, talking about another perspective, it has been seen numerous number of times that Nifty would be falling, but the stocks will be moving higher and higher throughout the day. Or Nifty would be going up, but the stocks would be falling. So if you are a contrarian trader, I'm sorry, just a moment. I'm so sorry for that. Okay, now what I was saying was, if the Nifty is going up and the stocks are falling, or if the Nifty is going down and the stocks are going up, and if you are a contrarian trader, how will you figure out whether you should initiate a long position or a short position? Because basically, for a contrarian trader, it becomes very important that everything should be moving in the same direction, like the Nifty, the stocks, everything. Only then, only if everything is moving in the same direction, he can decide in which opposite direction he will initiate his trades. But in days when Nifty goes up and all the stocks are going down, or vice versa, those days would surely be tough for a contrarian trader. So the point is, why to take so much of unnecessary pressure? हीरो बनने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, just do whatever you see on the charts. Just follow the charts. If the market is going up, it's going up. There is no denial to that. And the same holds true if the market is falling. So keep things simple, is what I want to say. Okay, now last but not the least, some of you might still be interested in knowing whether there is a way to do the contrarian trading. Well, the answer is yes, for sure. There are many people who do it and they do it successfully. There are many solid strategies that work really well. And if you ask me about those strategies, I won't be able to share it with you because I don't follow them. Okay, doesn't matter if they work or not, but here on YouTube I won't share anything that I don't follow myself. So all those things are there, but the point is, according to me, the point is, when you are into day trading, take up a way or style of trading that would be supported by multiple factors. If you remember, I always talk about multiple confirmations, right? And in contrarian trading, these confirmations have no place. Rather, they are ruled out. So think for yourself and then decide. Okay, so that's it from my end, guys. As always, I would request you all to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, please do not miss the ending of this video, as you might get some more information about HYIT that might be helpful to you in some way or the other. And please feel free to ask your questions or queries, if any, in the comment section, and I will surely reply back to them. And also, please do not forget to like this video if you liked it. So that's all from my end, and I will see you all later. Hope you all will stick back. Happy trading and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.